now you are able to understand Dalton's atomic theory and its postulates, which are very important in this chapter. Now, next is the symbol of some elements which are proposed by the Dalton at that time. These are the old representation of the elements. Here you can see that hydrogen is represented by a circle and a dot at the center, and carbon is represented by a circle and shaded inside. Oxygen is just represented by a circle. So these are the different ways by which we represent elements. But as there are so many elements, so it is very difficult to represent in this way. So in modern way, we use these symbols. Like for aluminium, we are taking Al. For copper, we are taking Cu, nitrogen N, oxygen O, potassium K. You must remember that the first letter is always capital, and where we are using second letter, it is small. This is the way of writing symbols of elements. So you have to remember all these symbols. Now next term is that atomic mass unit. As we know that the atom is very small, that we can't imagine it. If we take a small piece of a paper and watch under a electronic microscope, so we found a million of atoms in that. So to measure the mass of that atom is very difficult task. So we have a make it convenient by a unit, taking a unit. As we measure weight in gram and kg, length in meter, so we take a unit that is known as atomic mass unit, represented by small amu. 1 amu is equal to 1.6605 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. So you can imagine how small it is. And the mass of the proton and neutron are approximately 1 mu, and the mass of electron is 0.0005 amu. So these are the atomic masses of some elements. You can see that hydrogen 1, carbon 12, nitrogen 14. These are the atomic masses. Now next is molecule. When two and more atoms combine together, it forms a molecule. It is known as a molecule. The elements are of same type or it is of different type. Here we can take an example of water molecule. The formula is H2O. So two atoms of hydrogen combine with one atom of oxygen to form a molecule, that is H2O. Or we can take another examples like CO2, carbon dioxide, one atom of carbon, two atoms of oxygen. HCl, one atom of hydrogen and one atom of Cl combined together a molecule of HCl. So this is called molecule. Molecules are of two types. One is molecule of element and another is molecule of compound. If all the atoms are of same kind, then it is called molecule of element. For example, O2, the two atoms are of same element, that is oxygen. So it is a molecule, but the elements are same, so it is called molecule of element. N2, O2, these are the elements, molecule of element. And another in which elements are of different kind. For example, H2O, NaCl, CH4, methane, in which we observe that elements are different. So that molecule which is formed by the combination of different elements is called molecule of compound. I hope you understand now.